Hello everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to make a simple soda can in Autodesk Maya, and it won't be like difficult or the very, what do I say, very complex type. It will be simple. So all we have to do is go and make a cylinder, then we have to click R, then we can make it a little bigger and a little y-axis bigger and like this. Then we can go to mesh tools, we can go to insert edge loops, then we can insert some edges like we need, like this. Then we can add some edges down here as well, like this and like this. And after that, all we can do is go here, then select faces, then we can select the faces, click R, make it a little bigger like this. Then we can go to edge and we can just click here to here, click W and make it a little up. Then we can click R, then we can make it a little in like this. And after that we can go little down, we can click here to here, click it as R as well and make it a little in, and W to make it a little down like this. So next we can do is we can select the edges right here and right here, and we can just click R and make it a little out, and W to make it a little up. So it looks something like this. And what we can do is select here, select here, R, make it slightly like this. So it looks something like this. And in down it looks something like this. So we can click here, here, make it little inward like this. So yeah, we can just select from here to here, click double control E, then make it uh, again R, and then we can make it like this. So yeah, as you can see, our simple can is ready. So we can just like select the faces here and extrude it a little down, select the faces here, extrude it a little down and something. And after making it, we can just go and we can go to faces, and what we can do is select all of this, all of this, all of this, and all of here, and we can go to UV and go to cylindrical. After that we can right click it, go to assign new material, shader, AI standard survey. Then what we can do is go and select a file, and like this we can go to uh, downloads and open. So if we put a light here and then if we view it, as you can see, we can get a simple soda can like this. And as I said it, it's not gonna be like complicated. And like we can still make like here the faces we have to extrude it down, and here as well. I'm just giving you a basic option to make a simple soda can. So it is right here. So the soda can will look something like this, and you can make more details. So if you want to learn more and simple ways to make new things, you can just subscribe and you can follow and you can like and comment something new and interesting thing to me. I'm also learning, so you can teach me. So don't forget to like and comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.